Can I have your business card? Your yeah.
But what's the permit?
Okay, but you need to identify yourself to me then, and I'll give you my business card.
This video was recorded by Jesus Flores in Dinuba, California. I live about 90 miles from the area, and I've actually recorded their police department before. I've had folks from the area asking me to go there because the police officers in the area violate people's rights habitually. There's a clip of me putting Officer Garcia, who now works for the neighboring town of Visalia, in check. Then I'll show you a clip of Tulare County Cop Watch getting a ticket for riding a bike with no light attached to it. He had a light, but it wasn't attached to the bike. And after the clips, pay attention to this Dinuba police officer, policy enforcer, who harasses these working class people who aren't doing anything wrong or illegal. The bullying tactics in this video are surreal. Make sure to go say hello to Jesus Flores and let him know that the SJVT support team has arrived. I'll see you guys over there in the comment section. Thank you.
Please, just for police officer, that's all.
Where at?
Just on the sidewalk.
How
you doing, sir? Doing good.
This is private property right here?
Yeah, this is just for police officers.
Oh,
this isn't public access right here on the sidewalk?
No. Can you guys just stand on the sidewalk, please?
All right. What's your name, badge number, sir?
Can you stand on the sidewalk, please?
Sure thing. What's your name, badge number?
I'm Garcia.
Thank you, Officer Garcia. What's your badge number?
That doesn't matter.
No?
Can you guys please just stand on the sidewalk? Just stand on the sidewalk and that'll be it.
all right, man. That's cool.
Thank you, guys.
All right.
All right, but we'll look into it.
Okay.
Either way to make sure that, you know, that. But if you're wrong, then we'll be back.
Officer Garcia told us that was unauthorized, only authorized people could go back there, but we didn't see any trespassing signs or anything like that. My question is, can people?
Yes. You can walk back there if you want.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
Awesome. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
So, could you kind of, with all due respect, could you let him know that he was wrong by telling us to leave?
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Got it.
All right, thanks,
Thank
man.
you very much.
All right,
Appreciate it.
You guys have a good day.
you too, man.
as well.
Gotta say about it now. Did you get educated today, sir?
Not at all.
Come on, dude. Yeah, you did.
What are you pulling me over for? I was on the side of the road. I'm on where the bike lane is.
You're on the road, man.
No, I wasn't.
You don't have any lights, no tail lights.
This light right here.
It's got to be mounted to the bike, man.
Come on, man. This light's better good enough.
It is, it's got to be mounted, man. You got your driver's license insurance on you?
I don't need a driver's license to ride a bike.
Do you have an ID on you?
I don't need an ID. You got an ID?
I do.
Can I see it?
Yeah, after I'm done with you. Okay.
I don't answer questions.
Well, you committed a traffic violation, so I need you.
I was in the bike lane, bro.
You still can't have that on the road, especially later at night, okay?
You guys are serious? You guys don't got nothing better to do or what?
Well, you're gonna get hit by a car, dude.
Oh, so are you gonna save my life?
I'm trying, man.
How? What are you gonna do?
After somebody else's life.
What are you gonna do to save my life?
I just don't want you in the roadway.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So you got your anything with your name on it, man?
I don't know.
No?
No.
What's your name, dude?
What's your name?
Officer Pinedo. P-I-N-E-T-O.
That's cool. Just to let you know you're live, man.
That's fine. What's your name? You want to cut it off so you don't put your name out there or whatever?
Oh, no.
Okay. What's your name?
I don't answer questions.
What's that?
I don't answer questions.
You're not going to provide me with your name?
No.
Okay. How come?
Because I'm not doing anything wrong.
You are, I already told you.
But I was in the bike lane.
It doesn't make it okay, man.
Why not?
You're still on the roadway.
That we're not doing nothing bad. That we're not doing nothing criminal. Something like that. This is Dinuba. This is the officer. His badge is what's your badge number, please?
It's a wild. Aguayo.
Wild?
Aguayo 2126.
Yeah, he's just coming to us for admin, like saying we're just giving out the government phones. He just came to us with bad attitude. Instead of getting the people that are doing bad stuff, he's just getting people that were working. And the bad thing, he's Hispanic like us too. Es lo malo que vienen aquí, ya se creen con un badge, ya se creen la ley. He's doing.
Okay, listen. Okay.
We're leaving right now. We're gonna leave.
If you stop doing exactly what you're doing,
I'm
just
already
stop.
putting
Okay,
my
stop.
stuff
Put it
away.
away.
No está mirando usted que yo estoy
Está acabando el último cliente.
Esperando con mi último customer, estoy diciendo, yo voy a empacar mis cosas, ya me voy a ir. Usted es el que viene muy grosera conmigo. Yo no le estoy faltando.
Y lo malo que es mexicano.
Yo entiendo que usted ya me dijo que me fuera, le dije que estaba bien. Me iba a empacar a ir mis cosas, llegó gente. No, él ya está terminando de empacar sus cosas, nomás era yo, porque me llegaron mis últimos clientes. No estoy haciendo nada criminal o ilegal o sí.
What time did I come over here?
I'm not sure. I'm not stuck to the time.
It was probably like 10 o'clock in the morning.
It wasn't very, because I got here later than that. It was not even 10 o'clock in the morning, sir. I'm sorry.
That is true.
So there's no way you can tell this gentleman to come back another day?
Sí, pues es que no sé, pues él viene con nosotros, uno no está haciendo nada malo. Él como está haciendo su trabajo, no está haciendo el trabajo de nosotros. Hey sir, but I have a question. What are we doing bad?
I told you earlier.
No, but what were we doing bad? Answer the question. Yeah, but
and that same person who called, she came over here to
no tiene ni placas. Hey, go check out her car. She got no plates.
¿Por qué no la chequeas?
Then you should have.
Ella vino acá a agredirnos a nosotros. Yo quise. God could bless you guys. I'm not doing nothing wrong.
Then you should have called us when she
I'm
came
not
over.
doing nothing
No, it's not that, sir.
I'm away from my Uber. I'm away from my Uber here.
Well, just put your stuff away and then.
You want to help me? To make it faster because I'm trying to do it at my pace. Pero usted está apurando. Se puede quedar aquí si quiere y si llegan más gente les puede decir que se vaya. Yo no estoy haciendo nada ilegal. No estoy haciendo nada criminal. Y si me hablan español sería mucho que mejor porque yo entiendo el español mucho que mejor.
But I understand. It's not my job to tell the customers that you can't help them. It's your
Yeah, but why? Hey, why? But why? What was the question? Why?
Because the lady called us and complained and said
She had no permit either. Are you sure she had the permit? Are you sure?
She's not.
My boss said that she has no permit.
She's not vending though.
We're not
It's not vending either. This is free government phones. This is free.
Lo que hacemos nosotros lo hace ella.
Mira, palabra, look. Free. Free service. Free. Not vending. Vending is vender. We're not, no money in our issue. Call her boss. Call the boss. Call her. And give it to him that he can talk to the boss and say,
I'm not gonna talk to your boss.
oh, she can tell the permit that we have.
Okay,
talking to you guys.
Okay, pues ya estoy terminando de empacar mis cosas.
so
So I would appreciate.
No, dale que hable con tu patrona.
I would appreciate you if you give me my
Your space?
my space, please. Thank you. I'm asking you politely.
Okay.
I have anxiety. I have really bad anxiety. It's either with people, with cops, anything. I have really bad anxiety for the same thing.
Okay, then can you give me? Okay,
I'm already
okay.
packing my stuff.
Okay,
I really don't have to give you my name or nothing because I'm not doing no
Can
criminal
I
activity.
speak? Can I speak?
Go for it, sir.
Okay. So I will give you your space to pack your stuff up, but you gotta tell me that you're not gonna sell any more phones.
We're not selling. No, don't. Hey, please. Can you please say no selling because that get in trouble too because we're free.
Someone money? Did you see me? Someone give me money?
No, it's
Did
free.
you see me? No, huh?
It's for
Because
free
you
phone.
had-
It's a
you-
free service.
Did you see me? That someone handed
Yeah, it's not
me the money
vending.
and handed them the phone. No, right?
Okay.
All they did is give me their EBT and their medical, and that's what I did.
Okay,
I signed
then.
them up for a phone.
Okay, then.
So I already asked you. I'm asking you for a second.
Hey, didn't the
Can you
law
please-
pass too that you can go
please
set up?
Respect my privacy. I'm trying to finish
You're in,
my
you're in
stuff.
public. You have no privacy
Exactly, I'm in public, so why are you over here harassing me? I'm not doing nothing
not
wrong.
harassing
I
you.
feel like you
I
are.
told
See?
you
I
earlier-
already feel like my anxiety is trying to trigger on me, and I'm asking you to please give me my space, and
here.
you're not doing it.
I'm like 3 or 4 feet away.
But
from
you don't understand. Me, I can't even have people close around me because I have really bad anxiety. Okay, I'm drinking coffee and I have everything on this. I'm telling you, please give me my space. I'll pack my stuff in the next 5 minutes. I'll just stand on the corner and wait for you. Okay?
Sounds good.
Thank you. Have a nice day, sir.
Have a nice day. And look at. In the future,
No, sir.
In the future, just get a permit, and then we.
No, it's not at the permit. We have a permit, but we don't have it on us.
I'll go to the city or to the police department, look for Jay Agullo, and I'll
Yeah.
show you my permit. Con mucho gusto se lo enseño. Doña, disculpe, el oficial aquí.
No quiere que demos nada.
Arrestar porque no le digo a la gente que no se vaya. Estoy diciendo
Sí, que
le digo a la
yes.
gente que se vaya
Pero ¿por qué es así? ¿Pero por qué?
Yo no quiero ir a la cárcel porque no sé eso nada ilegal, pero que me están arrestando que si yo sigo tomando tiempo me va a arrestar y me vaya a arrestar. ¿Por qué razón? No sé por qué, pero yo no quiero ir a la cárcel cuando tú no te acabas de días. O con otra señora porque nosotros ya no vamos a estar aquí porque ellos no van a estar.
Hey, pero usted como aquí, como nosotros somos de aquí de Dinuba, hay que poner un reporte en la policía como la forma que son.
He's going to take me under arrest because I don't want to give him my information. Like, what am I doing wrong? I'm not even doing anything wrong. I'm already going to pack my stuff and leave. I'm telling them to give me my privacy because I'm right here. I'm not even doing anything illegal. I'm already packing my stuff. Y él sigue insistiendo que yo estoy vendiendo teléfonos. Yo que estoy vendiendo, ni he vendido muchos teléfonos. Ni los vendo los teléfonos, pero yo no sé de qué está hablando el oficial.
Hey, don't you need a permit to sell but not to give away?
No, it's.
Can I have your business card? Can I have it right now?
But what's the permit?
Okay, but you need to identify yourself to me then, and I'll give you my business card. I'm not gonna cite you, okay? I just
Pues
want you.
él dijo que iba a hablar y no llegó el señor, yo no. Si yo no quiero nada legal, si yo no sé, él quiere que yo fuerza me ayude a sacar esto, porque
You don't have to. You have the right. It even says in the fucking laws. There's no law that you, if you're not doing a criminal thing, o si no es cierto, if you're not doing a criminal thing, they don't have to give you no information. Am I right? Am I right, sir?
I'm already
Look at
packing
my
my
supervisor's coming.
No, it's all right. Go get an A. Tell them that I'll buy a pizza for you guys.
I don't need a pizza.
For it sound like it. You, We're not doing nothing bad. We're just waiting for our thing. We're leaving. Here's another officer that's coming to us. Hi, sir. I had a question.
You to identify yourself.
You don't have to. You don't have the right.
I'm not doing nothing.
No, nothing, no criminal shit.
I'm not criminal. I'm not. He came. I understand he came earlier, you know, and he told us to pack meat, and I said, okay, we were. We don't have a car. We got dropped off over here with Dinuba, right? So by the time we were trying to pack our stuff and everything, and the people kept on coming, you know. I just didn't want to be rude and tell the customers, oh, leave, you know. So I kept on doing the application. Maybe I should have had done that, you know. And then he came back, and I told him, okay, I'll pack and start, you know, leaving right now. But he got off the car like so. I think maybe he was already frustrated from the situation, or because he had already pulled another car over and he came over here. You know, I understand. Like I told him, I have the sighting. I'm asking him to be in my privacy. He doesn't want to come get closer to me, you know.
But you guys are close.
Okay, maybe it's wrong for you guys, but like I told him, we're already packing our stuff and leaving. So the last thing we want is drama and problem. I told him I'm gonna pack my stuff, go in the corner and wait for my Uber to get here.
Well, I mean, he has a lawful reason why he's here. Somebody called. He's not here bothering you.
And like I told
Yeah,
him,
but that person that called don't have no permit either.
Yeah, they do. That's what.
No, they don't, sir. But my boss said, my boss,
when the officer left,
they know their boss.
She was standing here. She got off the car and told the driver she wanted to turn us off. Did I do something wrong? I mean, all I say, God
Hey,
bless you guys. I'm
the thing, she can come next to us and set up. If she wants to work, we're working. Everybody's working.
Get closer to me. I'm talking. I'm having time with it. I think it was probably like 11, something. It was gonna be 12.
But you guys are still here.
Well, like I said, people kept on coming. So, like you said, I should have told the customers. Maybe I should have had done it. You know, maybe that was my mistake. But I think it'll be good enough if I don't come out here anymore. If I just stay out of
Right. So I mean, and also he should have cited you, especially being here a couple hours and people didn't come in. So I mean, so he has a lawful reason to be here. Like I said, somebody called. You are in violation of the city ordinance, which says you have to have a permit.
But why does he come back?
Selling or giving?
Go up to him.
No, we're not selling, sir.
To me, like, what
We're not
about
selling. Oh, but we're not selling.
Well, whatever your operation is set up.
It's free.
I don't know the details, but the city requires a permit. Okay.
Okay.
I mean, that,
I was like,
Okay, but what about if we do have the permit, but we don't have it in us?
it would be on file at the city. There's only one company that has a permit right now.
That person don't have no permit.
Yeah, there's one person does.
Okay, any permit that I have for selling or for working.
It's just for being out here. I mean, one person actually.
Because I work for construction and I have a permit for
All you guys get to do is go to the city tomorrow and go through the process, and then we're gonna bother you. And when that person, it's probably the person that keeps calling on you guys. It's the person that has a permit because they call on everybody.
but she has a permit for one space or for a whole Dinuba? Because I know for sure the permit that you get is only for one spot.
Last time when I was over here, she had called the cops, right? And I checked her permit was expired. And because I talked to the lady, you know, because I mean, she could call the cops. I don't have no hate against her or anything, you know. And she's all like, well, I only have a permit to be in 7 hours, so how many that she could be? I didn't get out of here.
I mean, if
She
you
got the permit, she got
if you can see her somewhere else, you know, give us a call. We'll definitely check it out.
No, but why? I wouldn't know because she has a family probably to feed too, man. Why ask for problems that we don't want to get problems? If she's working, she's working. Why should we bother? Yeah, but hey, God bless her, you know.
Yeah, that's true.
Why get the same problem, same paper? Like I say, why if somebody slap you, actually put the other chick to slap him. Why get in trouble?
I don't mean to be rude or anything, but you guys come and you guys say there is something wrong that we're
We
doing.
come in response to a phone call. We don't just stop. We don't just see out here and stop. We don't stop because we get a phone call.
You guys can sometimes stop and think maybe that's why there's a lot of criminals and a lot of gangbangers out on the street because
Yeah, because you guys don't let people work.
You guys are bothering the ones that are doing nothing bad, but what about the real ones that are active? That's why there's a lot of people dead. That's why a lot of people shooting.
respond to calls.
You're deflecting what you're doing by bringing up other stuff that has nothing to do with this.
How am I reflecting on what? I'm just
You're not
saying.
reflecting, deflecting.
And what does that mean? I'm sorry, no estoy tan estudiada como usted lo puede hablar en mi lenguaje.
That means that you're trying to redirect this to something that has nothing to do with
No, I'm just saying because I just need to stop here, but I'm done talking. I'm just gonna stay quiet.
Yeah, because instead of you guys being over here working with us, you should have been over there fixing their problems.
I'm telling you what to do. Go to the city tomorrow and get the permit.
Officer Ashford.
But
And me that I have like he said I have no privacy because I'm in public, but I think I have my right to respect my privacy is my little area where I'm at. And I asked him, can you guys just stay in my privacy so I can just take my
Yeah.
down?
We'll just leave. We'll leave already.
Over there by the cash register and my-
You did 2 hours ago and you guys are still here.
But I already explained myself to you guys. I'm not going to re-explain and re-explain.
No, but we're leaving already. Yeah, we'll just leave. We don't want no problem. We don't want no problem with you guys.
I'd like to say, technically, he could be citing you.
Yeah, no, I know that. Hey, he can do whatever he wants because you have the badge, but doesn't mean like he's right.
No, he's following the law.
No, there's no law for that. If that's the law,
He can cite you for.
okay, go get a lot of people not even doing shit. We're working. It's working.
And like I said,
Not stealing, not killing, not this. No, sir, because that's not right. I think that's not right. In my point of view, it's not right, but it's all right.
I talked to one of the bosses already. I told him he's going to shooting with the permit. I'll put it there.
I asked you for your card. You said no, you didn't want to give it to me.
I don't have any of that.
Well, even if you did have cards, you don't have to do it.
I know, but in the same thing you guys asked,
Hey, that's why I respect more people with the strikes than people with no strikes. That's why they don't have no strikes. They're rookies.
Like I said, he's being more than lenient with you guys, especially if he's down here at 11 o'clock in the morning already and you guys are still here.
Yeah, but I understand the part where he did wrong. But you should understand too, man. Hey, we got a family to feed too. No, it's not fair, man.
And like I said, if somebody wouldn't have called, we wouldn't have been out here.
Yeah.
But I mean, it's a simple solution. Just go to the city and get the permit.
All right.
Le vamos a pedir permiso a la señora del restaurante si podemos esperar ahí a Raite, ¿no?
¿Qué dice, jefe? ¿De qué les?
Oh, sí, cierto, que tengo todo.
Pero ahorita,
Se borró todo porque no pasó.
si quieres, ordenando una dirección, ahorita vamos a acabar el teléfono.
No aplicó conmigo, no estás entendiendo.
Oh.
Que le agarró como le agarró todo a la foto y todo.
No, se le mete. Sí, es todo se metió,
There.
Okay.
All right.
You guys have a nice day.
You too, man. Thank you. Sorry about that, man.
Jefe, ahorita le doy su teléfono. Sir, can you give me, do you allow me to just finish activating his phone? So, disculpe, pero no puedo dar el teléfono, el oficial no me deja dar, disculpe.
Pero se puede ir a la estación de la ciudad y poner quejas.
Voy a poner quejas que el oficial no dejó. Todo se borra.
Sí, todo se borra.